Hello everyone, it's your girl again, Ayi's Kitchen and More, and today I will be showing you how I make my boiled yam and vegetable sauce. And if today is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome to Ayi's Kitchen and More. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in and God bless you. For my old subscriber, I say thank you very much. I appreciate you all. First, I will start by boiling my yam. It's already peeled, washed and clean. While my yam is cooking, I will be preparing my vegetable sauce. Olive oil, onions, ginger, garlic, spring onions, shrimp, crayfish, fresh pepper, seasoning, and salt to taste. I will leave it to cook at least for 5 minutes. Next, I will be adding my spinach. It's already washed and clean. We'll leave it for 3 minutes and it's ready. My vegetable sauce is ready. My vegetable sauce is ready. My boiled yam with vegetable sauce is ready, and this is how it looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.